All the ice is gone. Shame. Hey! Today I wanted to share with you guys my gym routine. You guys have been asking me on Instagram to film my workout routine. You know, I just figured it was finally time. As you guys know, I got in a pretty bad car accident quite a while ago. Due to that car accident, I've just been having to get like multiple surgeries and it's been a fucking struggle. A big part of getting better and healing from that injury is getting stronger. All my life, I've never been a gym person. I've never been like a workout girl. 2 years ago, if you told me that I would be the girl that's like buying Gymshark clothes in bulk, I would not have believed you, but look at me. Dude, I'm wearing double Gymshark. Look at this. Gymshark, Gymshark. I feel extremely uncomfortable in the gym. Like, do we all feel that way, you know? I don't know. I have an Equinox membership now, and I literally walk into Equinox and I can go alone. Mind you, I'm still nervous as fuck, but like, I'm on the leg press, loading weights by myself.
Okay, let's go to my gym. The gym's only a 10-minute drive, so I feel like that also motivates me because if it was any longer than 20 minutes, I just wouldn't go.
Full cardio workout.
This is Joe.
Yes, Joe Cancelleri,
Yeah?
m1strong.com. We're here at the ASHOK Performance Center.
Yes, we are.
Yep.
Joe is an amazing trainer. He trains so many professional athletes, so many huge people, and I felt like after 2 years of just being like tossed around by really not qualified physical therapists, I wasn't getting any stronger and I was just feeling like absolute shit.
I had never lifted weights like
Really?
in my, yeah.
See, I didn't know that.
In my life.
Yeah.
Like all my life I've been an athlete, but like I was never lifting
Yeah.
like anything.
Weights, yeah.
Look at these rock hard abs. We're getting there, guys.
Tight, and then up, squeeze, and then down slow. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down slow.
I finally decided to invest in a trainer that could make me feel like an athlete again. All these physical therapists were just trying to get me to like walk in a straight line once a month. And I wanted to get back into cliff jumping and skating and feeling strong. So investing in a personal trainer was like definitely the greatest thing I could have done for my health.
I forgot my water bottle. Also, shout out to Sage. We're playing your music in the gym, so we don't get copywritten. So please don't copyright this video. I love you. Listen to DeVault.
When I first started training, the only goal I made for myself was to just get stronger. If you would have seen me a year ago, I could barely lift up a box. I was so depleted from all of my back surgeries.
I hate this.
So beneficial for her and her low back issues, creating core stability.
If you have an injury and you have to like recover from that, it just makes you so freaking weak. I fell into this crazy depression. I was crying all the time and I was just feeling really, really shitty. If you know me and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to feel strong.
Yeah, my first car was.
2. Or was it?
My first car was
2.
because I wanted a Volkswagen Beetle,
3.
so I bought one off Craigslist for $2,000, and it broke the third day I had it. So
That's a bummer.
Yeah,
4.
like total like got scammed.
4.
And
What do they call 11?
Yeah, I got a
5.
I'm not like a gym person whatsoever, but I love going outside with my friends. And above everything, above getting abs and being skinny and just putting all of these like body goals on myself, I just wanted to feel strong again.
2, right, down to there, and then up.
Oh
Yep,
shit.
3,
Yeah.
that's it. Keep the tension on that band. 4, 5, 2 more. 11, 12.
It's really cool. I can like confidently say now that I've reached my goal and I feel super, super strong. Compared to where I started, I could barely lift up a 5-pound weight. And now here I am lifting like 25-pound weights. I'm still not at 30 yet, but it's really cool getting to lift like a bigger weight.
Love it. going just a little bit. Just remember, hold this thing a little lower, because if you don't, yeah, you'll dive on it. We'll just go straight. Yep, there.
Can you go a little fast?
Yes.
Oh.
A lot of times, Joe will make me do some new exercise that I really do not like to do. The cool thing about having a good trainer is you never have to do it again if you really, really hate it. But most of the time, I try to push myself and try new things because it's all about that progression, you know? Look at me. I sound like I actually know what I'm talking about. But honestly, most of my workouts are fun with Joe.
Yep, that's all that matters. All right, so remember your favorite movement where you're in a side plank.
Take freaking breaks. Take your time. Have fun. Make it a fun thing. I feel like I always had this idea of like how the gym should be and how I should act in the gym and how I should look, how much time I should spend in it. But honestly, like, fuck all of that. Spend as much time in the gym as you want or as little time. Go at your own pace. That's really what's gonna like keep you going.
Oh my god.
Maybe like 1 or 2 elbows. Yeah.
I kind of make a ritual out of going to the trainer. I always stop and get my iced coffee after, and I actually ran into Lexi. I ran into Lexi filming this.
Hey, Ava. Hey. Oh my gosh. You got, what are you for a second, I was like, wait a damn minute.
If you're struggling with motivation on getting yourself off the couch and going to the freaking gym, dude, I feel you. It is hard out here to be motivated, but I feel like the secret key to staying accountable is having fun. It's having fun.
10. 2 more. 11. Nice.
Make your gym routine a healthy ritual. That's what I did, and it changed my life. And yeah, I love you, I believe in you, and here's some motivation. You got this. Okay, I love you. See you next week. Bye.
Oh, wait, like,
Yeah.
usually whenever I do that, it's like,
Is it take this?
hey,
You never seen Top Gun? The movie?
what's that about?
Top Gun?
Is that about the race car?
No, it's about the
Oh, the plane. The
planes with Tom Cruise.
No, I haven't seen that.
You gotta watch it. Now that you did that, you gotta do it.